All right, we're gonna go for a ride in a 1973 Chevy Nova. These are pretty cool, man. They're up and coming. I mean, they're cheaper than a Camaro or a Chevelle or a Mustang, you know, but they're still very cool, you know. This one's black on black. It's got a 350 V8 in it, 4-barrel carburetor, power steering. This one has upgraded 4-wheel disc brakes. AC blows cold. Got a little 10-bolt rear end in it. Like I said, they added 4-wheel disc brakes too. It's kind of cool. Got some aftermarket gauges down there, which is kind of a must in the old cars. I like to have them because it tells you what your temperature is and oil pressure and all that kind of stuff. But the thing goes pretty good, man. Just a smooth driver. It's got some 18s and 20s on it. These rev wheels on it, chrome 5-spoke. They kind of look like Americans. And the paint's decent. It's jet black. It's got a nice shine to it. It does have an updated front end, at least the fenders, to the earlier style Nova. They actually look better. They're like a 69, 70 Nova fenders. So, you know, kind of backdated a little bit. Still got the thicker bumpers on there. But overall, you know, it drives good, feels good, reliable. Motor's kind of cleaned up nice. We'll show you those pictures in a few moments. But, you know, automatic transmission, it's everything you kind of want. We'll go up here, we'll take some more pictures and some more video for you. All right, here's a real cool 1973 Chevy Nova. Black on black, 350 motor, 350 turbo transmission. It's also got these really cool 18 and 20 inch 5-spoke wheels on it. Nice paint. Tinted windows, dual exhaust, ice cold air conditioning. Nice straight car, and these aren't as much as the Chevelles and Camaros like I mentioned earlier. You know, they're not perfect, but fun muscle car to have some fun with on the weekends. Go ahead and show you the interior. Got the high back bucket seats. Look at that, even the key buzzer works. But just pretty much stock in here. Got all the black deluxe interior. Got a nice stereo in it with Bluetooth. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. All stuff that makes it more of a modern, usable car, you know. It's got the custom gauge package there. AM, FM, CD. Got the floor shifter automatic, turbo 350 transmission. All the trim and chrome. It does need some bumpers. It's supposed to have these rubber strips on the bumpers, and they're hard to get now. They reproduce these bumpers without the holes to make them all chrome. They're not cheap. They're about 400 bucks a piece, but that would really set this car off and finish it up real nice. But I think that's about it for this car. Doesn't need a whole lot. Just a driver. Here's the power plant in the 73 Nova. Like I said earlier, just a 350. You know, it's got 4-barrel carburetor on there, HEI ignition. It's got 4-wheel power disc brakes. Got a little alarm system, cold air conditioning. Just real simple and basic. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Look at that. Purrs like a kitten. Simple 350, not too much to say about these, just get in and go. Got a nice little rumble out the back too, nice dual exhaust. Sounds good. Well, if you don't want to see this one in person, come out to see me at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. And phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich, and I'd be happy to show you the car. Thanks for watching.